From the perspective of many birds, the Mississippi River's long journey through the heart of America offers a pathway for travel that is as important as the river boats down below. The river serves as a flyway for nearly 300 species of birds, and it is a great place to see them. These days, you stand a good chance of seeing our nation's bird, the bald eagle, the fastest bird on earth, the peregrine falcon, great blue herons, ducks, geese, and beautiful songbirds like the robin and the warbler. The bald eagle, a species that was once on the endangered list, has been making a remarkable comeback. Why is the eagle doing so well? If we could peek into an eagle's nest, what will we see? How does the eagle make a living on the Mississippi River? And why is the river such a great home for so many species of birds?